At the dawn of the 20th century, Chicago was one of the world's 5 largest cities. But less than 100 years earlier, settlement in the area had consisted of little more than a trading post on the riverbank. Steel played an essential role in this remarkably rapid urban growth. Steelmaking had just been rationalized, and the innovative use of steel frames for buildings allowed the city of Chicago to create the world's first skyscrapers. Chicago had become a beacon of industrialization and progress in America. When Folding Guard was founded in Chicago in 1962, steel would continue to play an important role. First as sturdy folding gates, and then as protective wire products, steel continued to lead Chicago forward in the name of progress. And this time, Folding Guard was along for the ride. 5 decades later, we are proud to still be a part of this town. And for decades, we have also stayed true to our mission: to make the right level of safety, security, and storage available to each and every customer by continuously improving our products and processes. Our products support the welfare of employees first and foremost. Safe employees and secure workspaces lead to efficiency and excellence. That's why we don't waste time when it comes to making workplaces safe and secure. We take pride in delivering on time and exceeding customer expectations at every turn. Each Folding Guard solution comes from a mix of human skills and modern technology. This includes a high level of precision and quality control down to the smallest details. We treat each customer as an individual, but no matter what project we're working on, one component stays constant: trust. Our employees trust one another and our company. Our customers trust our reliable customer service and durable products. Trust is what sets Folding Guard apart. And like the steel that built Chicago from the ground up, trust is what continues to build a strong foundation and ensure a bright future for Folding Guard.